Kurehwo kwa mashini ino thibitari-ini ya Thika Level 5 ni kunyihanyihia murigo wa kurigita arwaru aria marikinyagia thibitari-ini ucio undu umwe na kunyihia mathaa ma kurigitwo. Arigitani a gikiro kia iguru kuma mabururi 10 ma gitaro kia Africa ni magathiririe tacukia riu kuria mashini iyo ikoretwo ikirigita arwaru makiria ma 600 kwa ihinda ria mieri 2 gukinyiria riu.
The choice for Thika Level 5 here is a 64 slide CT scan. Again, it competes among the best, and it actually stands out as the best.
Kurigana na murugamiriri wa thibitari ucio Jacqueline Njoroge ni ongereire kuga mashini iyo ina hoti wa kurora gatagati ka arwaru 10 na 30 o muthenya.
It comes in handy in mainly diagnostics, especially in this era of rising cases of cancer, and also having 2 highways bordered by 2 highways. There are a lot of road traffic accidents and head injuries who require this CT scan.
Kuhana uguo murigitani wa kambuni wa Newsoft ni ugite mashini iyo ina hoti wa guikara makiria ma miaka 20 itari yathuka kana guthondekwo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.